How's it going, guys? This is Forensic Forex with Deontay, and I'm back with another video. This is your daily update on US dollar versus Japanese yen, UJ. As you can see, price continues to break down going into this busy. You can see this on the weekly chart perspective, Sunday all the way to Friday. So that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You can see we sold. The high of the week currently is Tuesday. Tuesday makes the high of the week. Thursday could be the low of the week. Friday could come back and trade higher, maybe going back into the weekly open for NFP. We're all waiting for that same news driver. All in all, I don't want to see UJ take out this swing low here. I want it to be supported or protected. I don't want to see the market makers or the algorithm pull UJ back down below this low. I want them to create a higher swing low formation. So I want the same formation that's formed here, but higher than that. That would be my possible point to find a long in UJ. So if you can see the new daily candle literally just opened live in front of you. You can see there. It's still Thursday. Many people don't believe me when I say that it starts at 5 p.m. or a little later. So it's currently now 5:03 here in New York, and the new daily candle for Friday, it's already open. Many people don't believe me, but I wanted to catch it on footage, and today I was able to show it. It's still Thursday, but you can see Friday's candle has already started. Now, I would suspect that this candle does not take out the previous daily low, but reverts back to the previous daily high. That could be our turning point to go long underneath May. So we're currently below the opening price for May in a discount, and we sold for 3 days. So this could be three counter trend days, and there's buying that's going to probably most likely take place going into next week. So maybe Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, we might see some green candles going back up. As of right now, we can also see the yen futures, and I still have the annotations on the chart from the first episode. I want to see a lower swing high form here, so I don't want this swing high broken. I want to see a lower swing high formation inside this range. Now, even if price gets above it, does that mean price now is finding new highs? That's not necessarily the case because price can break down here. Doesn't always land perfectly inside the mean threshold or consequent encroachment or equilibrium or the 50% range of the SIBI or PD array. Price can tap beyond that and then make the turning point. So it doesn't always necessarily respect that area, but it could be a good area for you to find an opportunity near 50% of a range or inefficiency. Same thing with the bullish order block. Same thing with the bearish order block. You cut the range in half and you find that as another possible entry to go long or short. So you could have found a short here at the equilibrium of this SIBI. You can see how it's beyond that here. For many traders, that may be a little concerning, but it doesn't concern me much because I know the higher time frame is just going to follow the swing highs and swing lows. We need a lower swing high to form. This could be the high of the week here. And Friday, NFP brings Japanese yen lower, which should send UJ higher. And that's what I'm expecting. You can see for the DXY, getting close to that swing low. So like I said, if price comes down and takes out that swing low, I want to see that as a false break. I don't want to see that as price going lower and creating lower swing highs. I want to see it as a run on these lows here. So anybody that was buying has a stop loss below this low. Let's run their stops, then get price going back long. We're also below the opening price for May. So that blue, and I'll make it black actually. That black dashed line is the opening price. You can see how they sold above the opening price in the premium. But odds are, if you're buying within a month in general, you should be looking for buy setups that form underneath the opening price. And that's what I'm going to suspect. So if price runs this low, might be a raid, and then price runs higher, taking out this swing high here that it fell from, that swing high. So that's something I would like to keep my eyes out for. I'll just mark that out. But UJ overall, still bullish. Still not changing my stance on UJ and the dollar. And yen seasonally is no bias really. It's consolidating. It's not really bullish and it's not really bearish. Just to reference that for those that didn't see in the episode. So this is where I come. I will look up yen and I'll just find the yen pair that I'm looking for. So the Japanese yen, it could be relative to S&P or just FX. It's the same chart. You can see it's sideways. And we see that dollar for May is dollar index. Doesn't matter which one you click. You see for May, it's saying that it should suspect strength to come in during this time of year. May should see strength, or the greenback or dollar should gain strength. So still sticking with that macro bias, just looking for price action to support that. And that's what I'm doing here. Hopefully this is insightful. As you can see, NFP was this week, seek and destroy. So you get all the buyers in, you knock them all out, and then get all the sellers in, and then potentially maybe you knock out all the sellers. Anybody that was making profit on the way down, let's run their stops going back up. Peace.